Okay, so we are going to make greeting cards, and we're going to use acrylic paint, and this is just like a cookie tray. I think they were really good cookies. You can use any tray. It could be cookie trays, mochi, anything. So don't go out and buy expensive junk when you already got cheap junk. Okay, so this is metallic deco art. It's green, festive green. I'm using eggplant purple. Putting that in there. We're doing a purple series, purple flowers. Greeting cards. And I'm gonna use different color purples. So whatever purples you have, just put a little tiny bit, because it's better to add a little bit and add more. And I know this isn't purple, but I like this color. Cranberry wine. Who doesn't like wine? Yeah, just put a smidge of that. Don't ask me what a smidge is. Okay. That white. Bam. And how about a little bit of black? Just a dot of black. Alright. And these are the brushes that I'm using. I don't know. These are just what was on sale at Joann's. So you don't really need expensive stuff to come out with cool art. Just use what you got. Okay, so this is like a 3.5 inch card stock. And what you want to do is, I like to do the darkest purple, so I'm gonna just do this. Make a C going one way and a C going another, so it kind of looks like that, and then just keep going around. Just the letter C. C. It's super simple. If you never painted and you say, oh, I can't paint, everybody can paint and make the letter C. C. And just keep going around in circles. And this would be fun to do with like your Zoom friends and a big glass of wine. Or if you don't have friends, you can just do this with me. Okay, so just do two over here. Do another little C and a little C. And just keep going around the letter C, or like a rainbow. Not complicated. Keep it simple. Because whoever's gonna get your card is gonna love it because they love you. Okay, now I get the eggplant purple, and just throw some letter C's in there. No order. You just want different shades of purple, because whoever this is for, they love purple, and they are gonna love this. Okay. And then let's get the wine color and just add that in there. Okay, now I just have water in here. Oop, thought I had water in here. Okay. One time time I was painting with coffee and I accidentally put my paintbrush in my coffee cup. Don't do that. Okay, so then we are going to get a small brush and dip it in this green. I love this green because it has like a yellow glittery sheen to it, metallic sheen. It's so beautiful. I wish the camera could pick it up. It doesn't do its justice. Okay, so you're just gonna, in one direction, just go, in one we're doing the leaf, and in the other direction, like a line down the middle, just super simple, not complicated. See? Anybody can do it. And you just fill this in because they're friends. And then we'll make one go this way. And you just draw a line, paint a line. And then one way, lines. The other way, lines. Don't overthink it. You mess up, just keep going. And if you're painting with like your kids or somebody else and they're having a meltdown, saying, I can't paint or I messed up, forget it, I'm not doing it. Just tell them to stick with it. It's okay. Don't overthink it. Life lesson. Okay. So what I like about the purple and the green is that on the color wheel, they're opposite colors, so they make each other pop, the colors. They just so complementary. Okay. So we're done. And at this stage, you can add a little bling, like some glitter. I have a little glitter here. And just lightly dust over it. Because everybody knows that glitter makes everything better. Okay. So this is just silver glitter, very fine. Okay. Then, now if you get like a splash mark, see how I got like a tiny little splash mark? That's okay because you have your little white paint right there, and voila. You see no more mistakes. I wish we had white paint in real life. And you just paint right over that little mistake. Okay, and see, if you really want to make things, you can add bedazzle and gemstones. And so I have this silver pin. Mine's dented. I don't know what happened to it. But this is the duct tape silver marker pen. I love this. You guys should get one. Okay, so hopefully that's dry. So we are making thank you cards. Simple. Look how fast we did that. Super simple. So then just, let me make sure it's painted. Okay, so just write a simple thank you. There. And whoever gets this card, because they love you so much and you're so grateful that you handmade it, they will keep this card for a long time because you made it and you're special. And there you go. Now, how long did that take us to make that card? But this card is going to make a lasting impression on someone, and really, you pour your heart out and tell them how grateful you are for that thoughtful gift they dropped off during COVID, or that text message they sent you that just really encouraged you and kept you going. So go ahead and make that person a card. And it's super simple. All right, thanks for watching. Okay, so the next video I'm going to be making is I want to do a watercolor thank you card. And I wanted to show you guys this stuff. It's called masking fluid pen. Now, I'm not like a huge watercolor artist, and I just found this because I've always wanted to try this, and it is super fun to use. So we're gonna do that together in our next thank you card watercolor. All right, see ya.